Hello guys, what's up? My name is Chirag and welcome to Coding with Python Part 8. In my previous video, we made a multiplication machine utilizing while loops. And today we are going to be understanding a concept called string slicing. But before that, you need to understand what indexation or index is. An indexation is basically the number where an element of a string or an object lies. You can return a range of characters by string slicing. Note, an indexation always starts at 0. So for example, if I write x is equal to bracket double quotes, and then we write hello comma world. In this scenario, h is element number 0 or index 0. E is number 1, L is number 2, and so on. So without wasting any time, let's perform the various actions which can be done using string slicing. So firstly, here I have created a string which has hello world, and now if I want to print the the letters E, L, L, O from hello, then I'll count the index number, which will be H is 0, so E is 1, 2, 3, and O is 4. So I'll simply go ahead and type print, then I'll open the brackets and type the variable we have to print, which is x, and then we'll specify the indents. Note, to always specify the indent numbers, we'll use the square brackets because that's how the syntax works. And then we'll write the numbers, the index numbers, and then separate them by a colon. Lastly, instead of saying typing 4, we'll type 5 because it doesn't count the last index. So 1 to 5. Hopefully it prints E to O. Oh, there you go. It's printing E L L O. If we want to start slicing from the beginning, you can just type 0 or type nothing, and it will print from the first element or index, which is L, to O. Let's test it out, and now we can see hello. So let's change the 5 to 6, and let's test this out. Hello, comma. Similarly, if you want to slice till the end, then you'll not include the last digit and you'll have the first index. Let's say for now it can be 3. 3. Yeah. So now it's printing LO, comma world. If you want to return the string backwards, then you simply do a process which is called negative indentation. So in this, you'll put the bigger number, which is, let's say, 5, before the smaller number, which is 1, and then we'll simply add a negative sign before the numbers. Now let's test this out. So now it's printing WORL because we are putting a negative sign before the index, so it's not counting L or E as the first element. In fact, it's counting L as the first element and D as the 0 element.
Well, that's it for this video. Please make your unique projects and tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.